Imagine waking up one morning and realizing you can see better than you did the day before. No squinting, no frantic search for your glasses, just clearer, sharper vision. Does that sound too good to be true? For millions over 50, failing eyesight is a daily struggle, one that steals freedom, confidence, and independence bit by bit, year after year. In one study, over 60% of adults over 50 reported declining vision affecting their quality of life. From reading small print to driving after dusk, maybe you've hesitated to drive at night, or found yourself straining to recognize someone across the room. Perhaps you worry about losing the ability to care for yourself, or the subtle fear of missing out on precious moments with friends and family. What if there were natural, research-backed ways to support and even improve your eyesight, using nothing more than common juices and simple habits at home? Here's the big question most never asked. Can the right nutrients actually help your eyes repair overnight? Some researchers observed that with the right timing, particular compounds in juice can fuel your eye's natural ability to heal, especially as you sleep. Have you ever wished there was something outside of a prescription or surgery that could truly make a difference? For many, the answer lies in forgotten natural wisdom. Science now supports that. Picture a man in his late 60s who nearly gave up his woodshop hobby because he could not safely read measurements. After 2 months of the right juices, as suggested in new research, he quietly picked up his tools again, winking at his wife across the room as he finished a project for the grandchildren. Or recall the friend who finally drives herself to the grocery store again at dusk without anxiety. What if you could be next? This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let's get started on the 5 juices that research suggests may help transform vision for people over 50. Along the way, I'll explain key steps, practical preparation tips, and everyday analogies, so you remember what really matters for your eye health. First up, pomegranate juice, the surprising pressure regulator. Pomegranate juice is not one most people associate with eyesight, but its vibrant red color holds a secret. In one 2022 University of California study, seniors who drank 8 ounces of pure pomegranate juice daily showed a striking 23% reduction in intraocular pressure over 6 months. Why does this matter? Because unchecked eye pressure is the primary culprit behind glaucoma, the second leading cause of blindness worldwide. The hero here, punicogens. These unique antioxidants in pomegranate are up to 3 times stronger than what you'll find in green tea. When consumed properly, these compounds travel through the blood and accumulate in the clear fluid at the front of your eye. There, they help keep tiny canals unclogged, neutralizing free radicals that block drainage and raise eye pressure. But there's a catch. You absolutely must drink it at room temperature for full benefit. Studies show that cold pomegranate juice constricts your blood vessels, cutting absorption by 40%. If this sounds like splitting hairs, try thinking of watering a delicate houseplant. Cold water can shock the roots, slowing growth, while room temperature water lets nutrients flow freely. Drink your juice 2 hours before bedtime to match your body's deepest repair cycle at night. I recommend looking for 100% pure pomegranate juice with no added sugars. The extra sugar can block the antioxidant activity you're aiming for. If it's too tart, dilute with water, but never add sweeteners. Whole fruit juices beat concentrate every time, since processing destroys nearly 2/3 of those valuable compounds. Take your time. 2. Sip it slowly over 15 minutes, swishing each sip in your mouth for 5 seconds. This small habit lets some antioxidants absorb straight into your bloodstream through your mouth's lining, skipping digestion delays, sort of like taking a shortcut on a crowded highway. Now that we've covered pomegranate's role in pressure control, let's discover another juice that brings a different type of vision support. Tomato juice, the hidden cataract shield. You probably have a can of tomato juice in your pantry, but did you know it can help guard your eyes against cataracts? In a long-term Italian study, people who enjoyed tomato juice 5 times a week faced a 47% lower risk of cataracts than those who rarely drank it. That's because tomato juice is loaded with lycopene, a carotenoid that collects right in the lens of your eye, helping prevent the cloudy changes that block vision. What makes it truly remarkable is lycopene's ability to slip through the lens capsule, where it neutralizes the oxidative stress behind lens protein clumping. That means better chance of keeping your lens crystal clear, so you don't miss the sunlight glistening off morning dew, or the gentle features of your granddaughter's face. Tomato juice is more potent than raw tomatoes because juicing bursts the cells open, freeing up more lycopene. Just 1 cup of juice has as much lycopene as 6 whole tomatoes. For maximum effect, warm your juice to exactly 190 degrees for 2 minutes. Any hotter, and you lose vitamin C any cooler, and lycopene's not properly activated. After heating, add a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Lycopene is fat-soluble, so this step is essential for maximum absorption. In fact, adding olive oil can quadruple how much lycopene your body actually uses. Enjoy your tomato juice with your biggest meal. Food slows down how quickly you digest, giving your body more time to absorb every drop of nutrition. Morning with breakfast is ideal, since eye protection is most needed during daylight hours. Avoid drinking this juice on an empty stomach, though, especially if you're sensitive to acids, as it can upset digestion. Don't worry about regular sodium levels. Your eyes actually use sodium to help move lycopene inside. For those worried about pesticides, always choose organic when possible. Conventional tomatoes often carry residues that aren't eye-friendly. Curious if you can see results. Imagine a retiree who, after years of blurry vision, could finally read the fine print on his prescriptions. He credits daily tomato juice and wishes he'd started sooner. Can you see yourself finding small pleasures like this again? Now, let's power up to leafy green juice, a vision shield for the most precious part of your retina, the macula. Spinach and kale. Green juice stands out for protecting the center of your sight. Harvard Medical School, in a decade-long study of over 100,000 people, found those who enjoyed the most lutein and zeaxanthin from green juices slashed their risk of advanced macular degeneration by 40%. Some even saw the early stages of harm stabilize or gently improve. Why juice? Because you'd need to eat 2 pounds of raw spinach and kale to get the lutein, 26 milligrams in zeaxanthin, 5 milligrams packed into a single cup of fresh juice. No one wants a salad mountain every day, but a glass of juice is an easy win. The trick is using 60% spinach and 40% kale. Spinach provides abundant lutein, while kale supplies zeaxanthin together. They mirror the protective cocktail found in healthy retinas. Always reach for the freshest greens, since freezing can halve the amount of vital nutrients. Wash the greens in cold water with a splash of apple cider vinegar to lift not only dirt but also boost the availability of their nutrients. Do you want to boost the potency further? Juice in a half-green apple, giving you quercetin for better lutein transport, and a thumb of ginger to amp up absorption. Quick tip: drink within 15 minutes of making. It's fragile and time-sensitive, losing almost half its strength if it sits. Think of it like a freshly picked flower. The longer it sits, the more it wilts. Mid-morning is best for this juice. Your body's clock absorbs eye nutrients much better then. If you enjoy coffee, make sure you don't combine. Caffeine can sap your nutrient uptake. Likewise, keep dairy away from this juice. Calcium competes for absorption. For one last boost, add a tablespoon of MCT or avocado oil. These healthy fats get lutein and zeaxanthin into your tissues more efficiently than olive oil alone. Important for those who want the biggest benefit in the smallest glass. Do you ever wonder why so many healthy green juice routines don't work for vision? It's often because of missed steps like these. Now, get ready for a true night vision miracle, bilberry juice. This one comes with a fascinating wartime backstory. During World War II, British pilots relied on bilberry jam for sharper night vision. Science now backs that up. A 2021 Tokyo Medical University trial saw participants improve night vision by 31% after just 4 weeks of 4 ounces of bilberry juice per day. Bilberry differs from blueberries by having 3 times as many anthocyanins and a broader array of the types that directly reach the rods of your retina, crucial for seeing in low light. These pigments start repairing your eyes within 30 minutes, like an overnight pit crew for your vision. But not all bilberry juices are created equal. The real stuff only grows wild in Northern Europe, some off the shelf. Bilberry juices in North America are just blueberry in disguise. It's worth tracking down the authentic wild juice online to maximize the benefits. Sip your bilberry juice in dim light or darkness exposure to regular light before absorption quickly breaks down the delicate anthocyanins. Drink it half an hour before bed, and don't look at screens or bright lights afterward. Blend in a splash of tart cherry juice to benefit from melatonin, which helps both absorb more anthocyanins and encourages deeper sleep. When your eyes repair best. A quirky preparation tip. Drink it slightly warm, close to your body temperature, and use a straw placed as far back in your mouth as comfortable. This technique delivers more anthocyanins directly into your bloodstream by way of the soft palate, almost like an express train cutting through the city, bypassing heavy traffic. Be sure to cycle this juice 5 days on, 2 days off. Your night vision machinery needs rest to stay sensitive and effective. After a cycle, it's like getting sharper headlights for your next night drive. Can you just imagine enjoying an evening walk again, or recognizing a neighbor's face in the twilight? One man told me he went from dreading dusk to confidently joining his friends for night fishing. Bilberry juice was his secret. Now, the most anticipated juice, carrot and sweet potato juice, the vision restorer. This juice packs more beta-carotene than any other, giving your body the raw material to create vitamin A, the cornerstone of healthy eyes and clear vision, day or night. Unlike supplements, this blend also provides alpha-carotene and beta-cryptoxanthin for a triple punch. Johns Hopkins researchers documented remarkable results. People over 60 drinking a 12-ounce blend ratio, 3 carrots to 1 sweet potato, improved their vision in as little as 3 months. Several even jumped 1.5 lines on an eye chart. For those once struggling to read street signs or the morning paper, this change can feel life-changing. Crucially, leave the skin on both vegetables after washing well. The skin carries extra carotenoids not found in the flesh. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and some fresh turmeric. Black pepper's piperine amplifies absorption by up to 20 times, while turmeric helps keep your optic nerve calm and happy. Lightly steam the sweet potato 3 minutes only before juicing, as it releases bound nutrients. Don't steam carrots. Their nutrients are already available raw. Divide your juice into 2 servings, one upon waking and another at 3 p.m. This timing maintains consistent vitamin A stores for round-the-clock eye nourishment. Always blend in 2 tablespoons of coconut cream, not coconut milk. The cream's richer in the healthy fat that whisks vitamin A swiftly to your liver, where it's converted for your eye's use. Never drink your juice cold or mix it with protein, or dairy protein can block nearly half the absorption you're aiming for. For a special final touch, set your juice in sunlight for exactly 5 minutes before drinking. A little natural UV kicks carotenoids into their most active state, but don't overdo it more than 5 minutes, and you'll start losing those gains. And take out your contact lenses before drinking, waiting at least half an hour before putting them back in. This isn't just a quirky rule. It allows the nutrient-rich juice to do its restorative work without interference. A sign your body is getting what it needs. Imagine building better eyesight, not just halting the decline. Remember, don't try all 5 juices at once. Begin with 1. Let your body get used to it. Then add another each week. In time, these habits can feel as regular as brushing your teeth, and just as vital. Consistency is key, because eyesight rarely changes overnight. But thousands of people over 60 are seeing real improvements, 1 patient sip at a time. I'm curious, which juice surprised you most? Have you already noticed your vision changing after including more fruits and vegetables in your diet? Share your story below. If you've ever felt tired eyes or struggled to see clearly after 50 EC, you're not alone. this channel is here for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple ways to support healthy, vibrant living after 50. And if vision improvement matters to you, check out our next video on reversing insulin resistance, a surprisingly common culprit behind many age-related health issues. Your journey to better vision starts with a single sip. I believe you can do it.